Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix Instagram incorrect password problem on iPhone iOS 18. First, go to your settings. Here, you just need to make sure that you are connected on a stable internet connection. Once done there, you can now go to General, and then from here, scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management, and make sure that you disable or turn off these VPN settings. Once done, go back to the settings here and then go to general. And then from here, you want to go on the iPhone storage and find the Instagram application. Here, tap on offload app. So this will delete the app, but it keep its documents and data. Once you've done that, you can now go and open the App Store, search for the Instagram app. Then if an update button shows up here, you just have to tap on the update button. And once done, restart your device. Now, once you restart your device and the problem persists, you want to go on the other solution is by using Safari browser. Here you can log in with your account. Now, if the problem persists, go to other a website like downdetector.com, and here you will find if the Instagram app or Instagram itself has a problem on their server. So we just have to wait until they fix the issue on your Instagram. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.